So this is what we're doing, ambiguous case. What happens with ambiguous case is, as I told you, we're given a side, and we're given a side, and we are given an angle. And the angle, let's see, which angle would we be given? We might be given this angle. The bottom line is, lots of things can happen. This could go here and draw this triangle. This could go here and draw that triangle. Do you see different things can happen? So that's why it's called ambiguous. I'm not good at drawing the pictures. Use your imagination a little bit. If you're on page 645, it shows you the pictures of all of what can happen. Now, I can give you all these rules to tell you how to figure it all out. But I don't want you to memorize a lot of rules. So I'm just going to show you how to work the problem and get the right answers. Is that all right with you guys? All right. First thing we're going to start with is, what if I have a triangle, ABC? Triangle ABC. That sounds familiar, doesn't it? You know, B is 31 degrees. B is 3. And A is 6.2. All right? Now, like I said, I can give you rules that tell you how to figure out what's going to happen. And what's going to happen when I do these, when I'm given two sides and an angle, is I could end up with 0 triangles, I could end up with 1 triangle, or I could end up with 2 triangles. Don't know the answer. All right, here's my information. I have to use law of sides. What should I find first to solve my triangle? Angle A. Do you agree?
Angle A. Yep.
Everybody agree? So does that mean that 6.2 over the sine of A equals 3 over the sine of 31? Right?
Yeah.
Cross multiply. So 3 sine of A equals 6.2 sine of 31. Sine of A is 6.2 sine of 31 over 3. Right? How do I find an angle when I'm given everything else? What button do I use on my calculator? Arc sine. Right? Now, it's been 10 days at least since you all have picked up your calculators, so I would take a minute and make sure you're still in degree mode. What happened? What did you get for an answer for angle A? Chandler, what does your calculator say? Domain error. What does yours say?
Domain error.
So it's
So 0.
So it's no triangle.
Oh! Man, sometimes it's so simple.
you said that about Tulsa being the worst, you're saying Tulsa County,
Yeah.
not Tulsa City. So that you can see why when you pick up Collinsville and Broken Arrow. All right, we good with that one? Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Now, what did I say my possibilities were?
I'm trying to go.
0, 1.
There's 0. What happens when it's 0? Your calculator will not give you an answer. That's how you know it's 0. Now, let's do another one. Triangle ABC. A is 40 degrees. Side A is 22. Side B is 25. Solve the triangle. What am I going to find first? Angle B. So 22 over the sine of 40 equals 25 over the sine of B. So when you do all what we did a while ago, is the sine of B equal to 25 sine of 40 over 22. Is that right? So what is angle B?
Oh, wait, what? I got error domain. Yeah, I got that.
46.9. I got it.
I did not. I didn't answer it.
It is. No, you didn't.
What?
Don't you put it in as arc sine of 25 sine of 40
Oh, I did not do that.
over 22? Right?
I would think so. Yeah.
You guys have slept too much over break.
Okay.
I don't think I slept enough.
Yeah, I did not.
Did you eat too much?
No, I just worked all week long.
Where'd you work?
Tree farm. It's pretty great though because they moved me to the job that gets all the tips. I made a lot of money.
And what the people that load.
Yeah.
So do you work today?
Yeah.
What time do you work?
3 to 7.
Because I think we're coming out there today. We'll go before
Right, you
3.
better give a good tip.
More minute. It depends, see, because we always put it on the top of his car. Last year they wouldn't put it on the top of his car.
Really? You're supposed to stand on it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, see, they won't do it if it stands on it because it acts as like a parachute and it'll fly off.
Ours has never flown off and we've done it for 20 years, but they wouldn't do it last year.
Yeah, they're kind of funny about some things.
Yeah.
They don't be liable for
So you won't put it on?
If they put the stand on it, then
Well, if you give them a good tip.
Well, that's what I'm going to see.
I'm not gonna be working in the back today though since it's a weekday.
Oh, yeah. All right. What did you get?
46.9.
What did we find?
Angle E.
B is 46.9 degrees. Now, remember I told you it's an ambiguous case. Strange things could happen. So what you have to do is when you find this first angle, you have to take 180 minus that angle.
What?
Wait, what?
You have to take 180 minus what you just found. No?
No, because then you have
No.
minus 40 also.
That's how you find if there's another B.
Another B.
I told you there could be two triangles.
What in the world?
What did you get?
133.1.
101
33.1.
degrees.
Yeah.
All right?
There's gonna be two triangles because then you add 40 to that, don't you?
Now,
What?
how would I find, if it's this angle, how would I find angle C?
180
add
minus
those up
40
and
plus
subtract.
36.9, which is 93.1.
93.
You also have to do it for the
Wait a minute. 93.1.
Yeah. And the angle is 6.9.
Oh, wait, that's a degree. Then I have to do it for this angle B. It's what? 6.9 degrees.
Wait, so how did you get the two C's?
Well, I took A and B
Yeah.
and found C. Then I took A and this B and found C.
Sometimes
So-
I have no patience.
How would you
So
go?
can you do one with only one triangle?
Hang on.
So you just plug that back into the equation. Okay. Nice.
All right, are you with me? Now, what am I missing?
Side
C.
C.
Side C?
Oh, that's
There's
easy.
2 side C's.
There's 2 side C's. And guys, notice that I have to keep the B that goes with the C that goes with side C together.
What?
You don't mix them all in. Because this is one triangle, this is the second triangle. So can I find side C for this one?
Sure.
What am I going to use?
You're going to do the cross multiplication.
So 22
Sine 92.1.
over the sine of 40 is equal to C over the sine of 93.1? Is that right? And what is C? 34.2?
Yeah.
Do you all agree?
Yeah.
Then, aren't I go to the same thing and say 22 sine of 40 over sine of 40 equals C over the sine of 6.9?
Yes.
You agree? So over here, C is 4.1. So here are my answers, right? We box them. You notice we have one triangle together and the second triangle together. I don't put angle B equals this and this. Second, 2 separate triangles. Make sense? Let's go again. Can we go again?
Sure.
This time. Oh, I don't like that one. I may have to use it. Don't know why they give me a funny one. All right. A is 49 degrees. Side A is 32, side B is 28. What am I going to find first?
B.
Angle B. So 32 over the sine of 49 equals 28 over the sine of B. So sine of B is 28 sine of 49 over 32. Right?
Yes.
What is B?
41.3 degrees.
Do you all agree?
Yeah.
Y'all are trusting him.
Yeah.
Yes.
Everybody's okay with that?
Yeah.
Now, what do I have to do to find my other angle B?
Right, from one
Subtract it
degree.
from 180.
And what do I get?
A number?
Really?
Negative number.
No, you
Oh, yeah, I
don't.
think I did this wrong.
I get 130.
Oh, yeah, I did it wrong.
138.7.
Thank you. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, for my first angle B, what is angle C? What?
89.7? Oh, right.
89.7?
Degrees.
Yep.
What's my second angle C?
41.3.
7.7.
Oh, what?
So second triangle doesn't.
Oh, yeah, I forgot I do the 49. I just did it.
Did you get a negative number?
So
So
second
it doesn't
triangle
work.
doesn't.
So it doesn't work. So how many triangles do I have?
One.
One.
Oh, thank the Lord.
So 32 over the sine of 49 equals C over the sine of 89.7? Did the rest of you get it?
Yeah.
Well, this is